Hey, what's up? My name is Chihiro and welcome to my kitchen. Now, I've been battling the flu for the past week, just not being able to do anything. But I just gobbled up a lot of medicine and coffee to power through making this video. This wafu pasta is perfect for this situation. By using 3 different kinds of Japanese mushrooms, it's filled with nutrients and vitamins that boost your immune system and reduce inflammation, on top of it just being delicious. Best of all, this can all be prepared by just using a pan, taking less than 10 minutes from start to finish. Well, let's just get started. The mushrooms we'll be using today are the maitake, shimeji, and erinigi. We'll also use some bacon and garlic to round out the flavor. Cut the mushrooms into bite-sized pieces, keeping in mind that they will shrink as we cook them. Now slice up the bacon and dice the garlic. Now set the pan to medium heat and use 1 block of butter as opposed to oil, as butter will go really well with our mushrooms. Once the butter is all melted, place the mushrooms into the pan. Ideally in glorious slow motion. Add a dash of salt, then our garlic and bacon. Now saute really well until you can smell everything. Too little will prevent the flavors from sinking into the sauce. Pour 550 milliliters of water for the 1.6 millimeter spaghetti that we're using. This should be just enough water for al dente. Usually I like to make my own dashi, but we'll be using a pre-made one. So pour 1 teaspoon of dashi, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and a dash of salt. Set the pan to high heat to bring it to a boil, then set it back to medium before putting in the pasta. Now place the 100 grams of pasta into the pan in a spreading fashion. It likely won't fit into the pan initially, but we'll stuff it in as it cooks. This should take about 5 to 6 minutes. Now whiskey is also good for the flu. Now the goal is to boil until most of the water has been absorbed into the pasta or evaporated, leaving just the gooey starchy residue behind. That is crucial as it emulsifies all of our flavors into a delicious sauce. Looks good to me! Now gently mix it with a tongue, placing the pasta into the plate. Pour the remaining ingredients and the sauce on top, and add a little bit of dry seaweed slices on top. Kansei shita! Now some of you may be thinking, wow, he slurps so loud, what a disgusting savage. But I'm gonna tell you why. That's racist! Us Japanese guys are shy, sensitive creatures who often don't say how we really feel. In this case, slurping noodles very loudly tells the chef that you enjoy his dish so very much without explicitly stating so. When I was running my ramen shop in Tokyo, my customers would first try to get my attention via like a very seductive gaze. Once we make eye contact, he would start slurping so very loudly as our eyes are deeply intertwined. Even if no words were exchanged, a bond has been made. As a chef, I know I made something great, and it also makes me wonder, what else of mine would he enjoy slurping? It got weird and my flu medicine is wearing off, so bye.